Yo, what's up guys? It's Mike here again, and we are in the Driveway Dreams garage. I want to talk to you guys a little bit today. You saw the thumbnail, you know what I'm talking about, auto thefts. So my nephew, he has I believe it's a 2006 F250. He's got some stuff done to it, it's jacked up, big rims and tires. You know, it's a good looking truck. He's only 18, so it's his first real vehicle. And, you know, it looks pretty good. The only problem with it looking pretty good is it was stolen. So he was at work, doing the right thing, being a teenager, got a job, making some money, buys him a nice truck, somebody steals it. So who knew, because I mean, I guess if you're into these kind of trucks, you may have known, but the Ford F250, 350s, for some reason, they are just unbelievably easy to steal. The police even told us that if you saw somebody in the parking lot messing with it, you wouldn't even realize what they were doing. You thought they would just have a key. That's how quick they can get into these cars. Not only F250s and 350s, but also Dodge Chargers, Challengers, I think Hyundais and Kias right now have been hot targets also. So one way to combat this, and for him it worked pretty well because he got his truck back. So he had Apple AirTags in the truck. Samsung also has their own. There's like Tile, I think is another company that has them. I'll try and put a link to them or something in the description below. But he was able to get his truck back. He sent me the link or the address that the AirPod was, or AirTags are. The AirTag was given him, and luckily for me, it was right near my work. So when I got off work, I was able to run by, and lo and behold, here's the truck in the parking lot, or in the driveway of the house of the guy who stole it. I got there about the same time as the police did. We were able to get it recovered. Bad news is, you know, they broke the door locks on both sides, they ruined the ignition, and other than that, they just took a couple fuses out to get the alarm stuff to go off. But a cheap way to ensure that you can get your car back if it is stolen is these Apple AirTags, AirTags, Tiles, Samsung, Galaxy, whatever they're called. It's a cheap way to ensure that you're going to get your vehicle back. The only thing you have to do, obviously, is make sure that you put it in a hard place to find, because if it's easy for you to place it, it's going to be easy for them to find. So make sure when you are placing these things, you put them in a place you wouldn't think somebody would look, you know. Nothing else, put it inside the owner's manual, close it, put it back in the glove box. Most of the cars, the seats, they have a little zipper on the side. Shove it inside the upholstery of one of the seats. These are things that people will probably never think of to look. Obviously you don't want to put them, I would want to put it on the exterior of the vehicle just because of the weather. I don't know if they're waterproof or not, I haven't really looked into them, but you would just think, have them like in a wheel well or underneath your vehicle. They're going to hit by rocks, they're going to hit by water, the elements. So my preference would definitely be inside the cabin of the vehicle just because it's protected from all of those things. Unfortunately, he did not have full coverage insurance, so he is on the hook for the bill to fix the door locks, the ignition, and a few other little things that they destroyed while they were stealing the vehicle. But in hindsight though, that's a little price to pay for him to get his vehicle back. Alright, just to wrap up the video again, if you're looking to protect your vehicle, you want to get it back if it's ever stolen from you, make sure you get one of the brands, either Apple, Samsung, or Tile. Make sure you get one of these GPS-based devices, so that way you can get your car back. There's numerous reasons why you may want it. Whether you don't have full coverage insurance, the car just has sentimental value to you, whatever it may be, there are reasons that people would just want to get their stolen car back. So make sure you pick them up. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below so you can get some a little easier. I know if somebody stole my Gallardo here, I would definitely want to get that back. So I'm personally going to get some, put them in here just to, you know, peace of mind of my own. Not only that, but my kid's like 17 years old, so sooner or later she's going to want to take this out, and I'm going to have to know where she's taking my car. So multiple reasons on why you could get them, and you should, just to protect yourself. So if this video has helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and until next time, see ya.